Okay, hello. We're all set. Let's go. I'm just checking if I have to look at the screen or the camera or the screen or the camera, but I will try to look at the camera intently so I can connect with you. I welcome you to our dear advisor, Christy, advising online minutes. So herein I will be featuring the common questions and peculiar questions of our clients and inquirers about financial literacy and development, life insurance protection, and money management and the likes. So maybe this will also help some of you out there who have the same question or thinking along the same lines. So let's go to our first question of the day. Let me just check. So our first question here. Dear Advisor Christy, if life insurance is all about protection, then and not much on investments, then what is life insurance protecting us for? All right. So thank you, client inquirer, for that question, that wonderful question. I will be answering in different points later, but just to give an overview, because when you talk about protection, it's quite broad. So a protection, especially life insurance protection, is all about protection against risks, the different risks in life, which we can just point in specific: the sickness, accident, death, untimely death, disability, or also long life. It's also considered risk, right? Because if you're already old age and not capable of earning an income as compared to when you were younger, you will be needing still resources that would supply you throughout your lifetime. So a life insurance is also answer this kind of protection. So what is life insurance protecting us all about? Simply put, it protects, number one, your income. So if you are a breadwinner, if you're somebody who has a job or maybe a business of your own and you're earning income for your family or even perhaps for yourself, still you want to secure and transfer the risk of losing your income to something else if you can, right? So life insurance answer that in case that something happens, which is unfortunate to a breadwinner and he or she passes on, being insured, his family whom he declared as beneficiaries will be able to get a certain amount of money equal to the coverage that this person applied for. So at least merong income replacement, yung tinatawag natin na IRF, or income replacement fund, for the family members who survived by the one who passed on. So paano natin malalaman at how much we need for income replacement fund? I will be talking about that in another video to answer that question, also common question among our clients. But let's go to the second point. Another protection that life insurance is giving you, other than either IRF or income replacement fund, is a protection for your investment. So here we will be talking more about MDRP, or what we call mortgage debt repayment plan, because usually, as breadwinners, as somebody who has aspirations and goals in life, of course we are also trying to accumulate investments, so like for example, investments such as getting house and lot, for example, or and usually this will involve also a certain mortgage, so halimbawa may naka-mortgage pa you're still paying amortization for the house that you took in via bank siguro or pag-ibig finance, and then let's say there's a scenario na nawala in picture yung payer ng bahay, which is also our insured. So let's say ang term ng payment is for 15 years and 2 years pa lang into repaying the mortgage, napass on si breadwinner, so who is left to pay for the house that the rest of the family is staying in. So it would be the insurance or the MDRP via the life insurance. Basta enough naman yung life coverage nung insured to pay for the rest of the mortgage. So for example, if the house costs 5 million, if the face amount or the coverage that the insured or the breadwinner got was around that amount, so let's say meron siyang 6 million, so that would even be enough, to cover the mortgage for that a family, so that hindi madi-default ng bank or ng Pag-ibig yan, kasi the insurance will pay the remaining balance to full term. Okay, so yun. Second is the MDRP, right? So protection for investments. And the third one, tatlo lang itong mabibigay ko for now, is what we call, also similarly to MDRP, is the asset protection fund. So ito naman yung case wherein, for example, yung breadwinner, usually sila rin yung payor, no, ng insurance, at the same time sila rin yung mga payor ng ating lupa. For example, they're the title holder, no, may hawak na kapangalan sa kanila yung titulo ng lupa, and then na-pass on siya. So what will happen is that kailangan, no, na before ma-transfer yung title name to the beneficiary or to the surviving spouse or the children, kailangan ng liquid money for real estate tax. So the life insurance amount in lump sum actually can cover that, para hindi na mapending yung asset, and then, or may possibility pa na ma-repossess ng bank or ng government. So these are the tips and tricks actually to protect your asset, so via life insurance asset protection fund. So there are 3 ways that life insurance is protecting you and your income and your concerns in life, actually financially. So the 3, I will just recap. 1 is the IRF or the income replacement fund. Second is the MDRP or the mortgage debt repayment plan, and the third one is the APF or the asset protection fund. So these are basically the ways that technical ways wherein life insurance protects you. So I hope it helped you and answered some of the thoughts that and queries that you have there, our inquirer for today. And so I also encourage those of you who have also questions and are seeking advice, as much as I can, I will do so. So just write me, dear advisor Christy, and your question. I'll do my best to give a response. And so till next time, thank you. Always remember that the wise seeks advice.